What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. You guys really enjoyed my Wish video where I bought clippers off of Wish that were replicas of the real thing. So I decided I'm gonna do trimmers off of Wish. So we're about to get on Wish, find some trimmers that we want to try out. We'll order them. Again, guys, it'll take about a month for them to come in. Once they come in, I'll unbox them and we can check them out. But let's get right to the search. Alright guys, so if you missed the last video, Wish is basically a website where you can buy things from overseas. Most of it's from China, I believe, but a lot of replica, a lot of knockoff, a lot of cheap products. And so we found some clippers on there. We got them in. If you didn't check out that video, definitely go check it out. We got like a magic clip, a metal magic clip, and a clipper similar to the Babyliss FX. So I'm gonna get on there again. We're gonna look up some trimmers and we'll see what we can find. I've searched trimmers before and not a whole lot of options. I've looked barber clippers and some trimmers are in there, so we may have to look around. I'm gonna just put in trimmer and see what I can find, and then we'll look around and see what else we can find. We got trimmer, we're gonna load it up. All right, yeah, there's a couple. So I definitely wanna try out this right here. This looks like a wall detailer. I'm definitely gonna try that out, but the one I really wanna try is this skeleton. I'm not sure, there's a lot of crazy ones. I'm thinking maybe this black one right here, but you guys can see how cheap this is. Let's go ahead and click on it and check it out. So this is similar to a skeleton. You guys have seen these around, I think. We'll check it out. There's a black and gold. You can see we got the silver. We got these with these oriental etchings on them. Then I'm gonna go with the black, and that's a $12 for a trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna pick black. We're gonna go, we'll do USB. I like a USB plug, those are easy. So we'll do that, we'll go black. $23, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to cart. If we find something else, we'll check it out later. So I'm gonna add that to cart, and we'll keep looking. So there's that Babyliss clipper right there. Just looking for trimmers this time. We did try some clippers out, so we're just gonna look for trimmers. So here's a Rimfo. I'm gonna go through these. We'll add a bunch to the cart, and then we'll go back and decide what we wanna buy. So guys, these are called Rimfo. This brand is actually Kimi or Kimi. But you're actually able to put the wall detailer blade on this off of the detailer and make some hitters for like 18 bucks. It's got the battery life on it, different things like that. You guys can see again down here, they're stealing pictures from Instagram to put as their ad. And if you guys look, these edits are really funny. So for one, this isn't even the clipper. Oh, okay, it's a bundle. Oh, it's for all three, $18 for all three. You guys can see these Photoshops are really bad. It's not even really the, like let's just throw the trimmer in the side. And but anyway, I just want that trimmer, so we're gonna go ahead and not click that one. All right, so like I said, guys, sometimes, you know, depending on what you search, it's not gonna come up with that great of results. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in barber trimmer, search it, and see what else we can find, what different pops up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this detailer. Definitely wanna try it out. So we got basically a cordless detailer, but it looks smaller than the actual new. Look at those Photoshops right there, those are sweet. I'm gonna add that to cart. We'll come back here in a little bit. It looks like that comes with a USB cable, so that's kind of nice. You can just plug it into a, you know, any type of port like a USB hub and charge it that way. So here's our Rimfo. That's the 3-pack again. I don't want the 3-pack. Not seeing a whole lot of options. I've seen more on here before, but ooh, look at that. We got pink. That's called red apparently. $15. So which one is cheap? Oh, look at that. So they trick you. There's the silver one for $7. Then when you go up to the gold, that's the next skeleton. Okay. We're gonna let's do the red. We'll add the red to the cart. All right, we're gonna keep looking. It looks like a detailer, but it's all blacked out. Looks kind of cool. Let's see what else what other pictures we got here. I like that. It's kind of sleek, kind of blacked out. For 18 bucks. What's the upgrade? Oh, it comes with guards and all that. We're gonna go standard, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that to cart. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna add whatever I see. We'll go back to the cart and we will clean up and see what we really want to purchase. So if you guys like these videos, leave me a comment down below. I'm thinking about maybe buying some shears off of here. I might do all the shavers I can find. I've seen an Andis shaver. I've seen like a Gamma shaver knockoff. And then also I may do just some random stuff. You guys can see as I scroll some of the random stuff on here. If you guys want to see me do those videos, leave me a comment down below. this is one I'm interested in right here, guys. I've seen these before in the UK. It looks kind of crazy. I like it's carbon fiber with blue and white and black. I'm gonna go US plug. Let's do the white. So this one right here. $9. I mean, guys, this is crazy. Straight from China, but $9, that's nuts. So you guys see shavers, trimmers. There's that 3-pack combo. There's the skeleton some more. The detailer we already got. Curl sponges for $1.91. So guys, I mean, I'm not gonna say that this stuff is the best quality, but there's a lot of stuff on here, and if you're willing to try it out, if you're willing to wait a month, some of this stuff might be decent. So I'm gonna keep checking it out. Really, I'm doing this for entertainment. I know you guys enjoy to see when it comes in, what it looks like. Does it compare to the real one? But we're gonna see what else we can find. I may do some more videos, like I said, if you guys wanna see that, but I'm not seeing much right now, so. All right, guys, so I didn't find a whole lot more. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the cart, and we will see what we have, decide which ones we wanna get, and then we'll order them. So you guys see here, this is that really square one. I definitely am gonna leave that for $8.55. I do like this black detailer looking one. We got the red skeleton, the regular detailer, and the black skeleton. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove the black skeleton since we already got one of those. And let's see what else we got in here. All right, so there's 4, and that's gonna end up at $100 with shipping, so I'm cool with that. We'll go ahead and get it. We got the detailer, the red skeleton, the black detailer, and the square, whatever we wanna call this right here, Nova. So we'll go ahead and order those, guys. Like I said, it's gonna take about 30 days probably to come in, and when we get them, we'll open them up, and I'll show you guys what they look like. All right, guys. Finally came in. We're about a week behind. I came in today to a big bag with all 4 packages in them, so we're gonna open them up and check these trimmers out. And if you guys didn't catch my latest video, I did do shears, so next up is some wish shears. But anyway, let's go ahead and open these up. I'm just gonna pick them by random. Last time, guys, I actually opened them before you guys saw it. You guys can see these are all still in the package, so I'm gonna see them for the first time with you, but let's go ahead and get into these. We'll just go smallest first. All right, guys, so first up, the Nova trimmer. I'm gonna get a little closer for you. This is the little rectangle one that I was telling you guys about. I'm gonna show you all these, and then we'll set them on my station. We'll actually open them up and check them out. These boxes are beat up. All right, guys, VGR next. This is the blacked out detailer looking trimmer that I got. We'll open it up in a second. All right, guys, this is the detailer knockoff. If you guys can see it, looks pretty much just like it. This box is beat to heck as well. One more. And last up, guys, the skeletons. This is the cheapest looking box. It doesn't even have an accurate picture on it. These are gonna be the last ones I'm gonna open up. These are the ones I'm actually most excited about, but let's throw them on the station. We'll unbox them and check them out. All right, guys, so first up, we got the Nova NS216 professional trimmer. You guys can see it here. I don't remember what color we got. I think we got white, but you see the box, regular old stuff down here. This one I kind of seen in the UK. I haven't checked it out myself, of course. Let's go ahead and get it out, see what we got. Oh, a little carbon fiber. So we got the white. We'll go ahead and peel off. Let's see if we get the, oh, it's like an Apple product. Oh, didn't get it all. All right, so Nova trimmer. You guys can see we got carbon fiber on the side. That blade is not looking very promising, guys. I gotta be honest. But we'll check them out. Oh, they live right out the box. All right, I'm gonna throw them on the charger, and we will cut with these later. We'll come back to them. You guys see we got some mustache guards. Here's the charging cord. It is, that's interesting. No box, just the charging end and the plug. So no adapters this time. Maybe some of the other ones will, but we'll get this charging and we'll come back and check it out. All right, guys, next up, the VGR. Like I said, this is kind of a blacked out detailer. You guys see the box, they really took care of it for me. I definitely suggest buying from them. They really take care of their packaging and make sure that it comes in nice. But anyways, you guys can see it's kind of all blacked out. We got a little LED display, USB charger. Enjoy colorful life. All right, T-blade, go ahead and pop it out. See if we can get this box open. Ah! All right, guys, I gotta be honest. It feels terrible. See, we got some snake skin. Woo! Snake skin blacked out. Got a USB charger here, micro USB, and then a regular charger. You can see it's black on the back. We do have the T wide blade. It looks like the detailer blade. Might be able to put that blade on here. The snake skin's crazy, y'all. I know that's gonna be your favorite. Where's the switch? Okay. Little buzz. Similar shape to a detailer. It is it does skinny up here at the bottom. The switch isn't bad. We'll see how they cut. We'll go ahead and charge them up and we will revisit it later. All right, next up, the Chu Pro Supernova. Looks just like a detailer. I will actually compare this to the detailer so you guys can check it out. You can see this box is beat up as well. Looks just like a detailer. I want to see, it looks to me like it's shorter, so we will bust it out and see if it's the same shape. But let's go ahead and open it up. So same thing, guys. We got some mustache guards. We got the charging cord. Go ahead and get this out of the way. And this is definitely shorter than the detailer. So here you guys go. Chu Pro Professional. I was expecting to have the toggle switch down here. You can see we got this big old swinging arm to hang it on. Looks just like a detailer, a little bit fatter on the back. It definitely is shorter this way. But you guys can see it looks very similar. The cutting blade is way off. If you guys can see. Cutting blade sticking way off past. So we're gonna have to adjust that. Oh, there it goes, just clicked in. Hey, those actually feel kind of good. I'm gonna go grab a detailer and we will compare them side by side. All right, guys, so here's the cordless detailer. Here is the knockoff. So you can see quite a bit of size difference. And I do not have a cordless detailer. This is one of my guys. You guys go knock on him for having a Babyliss gripper on the detailer. But anyways, you guys can see the shape difference. Very similar, but about half the size. So I would imagine that means there's some battery missing. It is the T-blade, very similar. I bet this blade would fit on here. But guys, first off, so far these are definitely the best feeling ones. I will get them on the charger and we'll talk about them later. All right, guys, last but not least, this is the skeleton. Real nice box, professional hair clippers, professional blades, streamlined design, strength lasts, super mute. So we've talked about it before, guys. Some of the language on here, you can definitely tell that they don't really know what they're talking about when they write these. That's the best thing we could put on the side, professional hair clippers. So no name brand here, of course, but these are the skeleton knockoffs, so let's bust them out, see what we got. These are the ones I was so excited about. So some guards as well, another USB. All right, guys, so here they are. These are the skeletons. These are supposed to kind of resemble the Babyliss. This is super skinny, guys, if you can tell. Let's see where my skeleton is. So there's my skeleton. Here's the other one right next to it, way skinny. It makes the blade look humongous, and that blade is looking rough, guys. I don't know if that's gonna be any type of good. To be honest, it's looking absolutely terrible. So not sure if we'll be able to do anything with these. We will try. Let's find the power switch. Oh, we got a push button on the bottom. So pretty low buzz here, guys. Of course, they need to be charged. They are fresh out of the box, but you guys can see they're kind of small. I kind of like the grip. They're really small. But we will try them out. That push button is interesting. You just push it in, unclick it. This is the red. It kind of looks a little pink. They did have a ton of these on there, guys. You can get the ones that have like the etchings in them. You guys saw the video at the beginning, but this blade I'm super disappointed in. So anyways, guys, pretty decent looking so far. We're gonna get them on the charger and we'll check them out here in a bit. All right, guys, so here's the Wish trimmers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So far, I'm gonna say that the detailer looks like the best one. The rest of them, the power was pretty low, and this blade on the skeleton looks absolutely terrible. But we're gonna charge them up. I probably won't do a full video for each one since I can't do a whole haircut with each trimmer, but I will do another follow-up video doing some different things with each of them. So we'll try to bald out with them, we'll try to line up with them, and maybe even do a little bit of a design with each of them. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you really like the Wish videos, I got a whole playlist of the Wish videos, and we're gonna keep them coming. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I'll catch you guys next time.